What's up, everyone? This is Sailor Friend. We're finally on the cruise ship, the Disney Dream. It's insane. Oh my gosh, there's the aqueduct. Wait, you can't see it, can you? I'm sorry. But this is absolutely freaky deaky. Flo's V8 Cafe. Let's do it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! We haven't left yet, but here's a view of the thing. Here's Sailor Amethyst with her awesome Marvel fandom shirt.
Fandom?
You're in the Marvel fandom, right?
I like superheroes, but it's not a fandom shirt, it's just a Marvel shirt.
Well, I say fandom, so yeah. Anyway, it's a random guy. And this is Abby from India. Is that how you say it? Abby? Oh, there's like a cute little island.
You never said he was from India.
Well, look, India, right there. On a name tag. Look, there's a cute little island over there. Let's just change the subject. Look, Carrie. Say there. Right there.
What's right there?
That little island right there, right in the center. See?
Oh, I see it. It's cute.
Kawaii.
I was looking at the building. I don't know why. Don't judge me.
Bacon pigs.
Pigs are bacon.
I know. I'm bored. I got cheeseburger headphones. I'm sure me and Steven can relate in a lot of ways.
Okay.
Much like Amethyst. So am I. I want to see what they have here.
Food.
Hey girls, I want to get your picture here, and then...
And this is my mom. She's wearing an awesome shirt. This is my grandmother. We're not 21 yet.
Okay girls, look here. I'm going to get this. Yeah, one's going to have to lean in.
Bishojo Senshi Sailor Moon. I am Sailor Friend, so yeah. Honorary Senshi. Sweetie, my beluga whale.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying.
Okay, bye guys. I gotta take a picture.